Discover eco-luxury with our premium handcrafted jute tree pot, designed to enhance your home with natural beauty, sustainable materials, and modern elegant interior lifestyle aesthetics for everyday living. Our handmade jute pots provide natural breathability for healthy plant growth, improving soil balance while adding eco-friendly charm, perfect for modern homes, offices, and stylish interior decoration spaces. Each jute pot is carefully handcrafted by skilled artisans, combining traditional weaving techniques with modern design thinking, ensuring durability, natural texture, and authentic sustainable craftsmanship for every home. Perfect for balconies, living rooms, or workspaces, these jute pots elevate your environment with earthy elegance, creating a calm, natural atmosphere that blends seamlessly with modern interior design. Reconnect with nature daily as your plants thrive in breathable jute pots, promoting healthier growth, natural moisture balance, and a peaceful, eco-friendly lifestyle experience inside your home environment.
Transform your home today with eco-friendly handmade jute pots. Visit jutecraftify.com now and explore sustainable, stylish, and natural solutions for modern living and beautiful interior decoration ideas.